Welcome back to Car Legacy, your ultimate destination for the latest in automotive innovation. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated 2025 BMW XM, a vehicle that represents the perfect blend of power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. Let's get into all the exciting details. The 2025 BMW XM is set to redefine what we expect from a high-performance SUV. Powered by a hybrid powertrain, it features a robust V8 engine paired with an electric motor. The combination delivers an astonishing 650 horsepower, ensuring that the XM doesn't just meet expectations but exceeds them. This power allows the vehicle to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.1 seconds, offering an exhilarating driving experience that rivals some of the best performance vehicles on the market. One of the most notable features of the BMW XM is its luxurious design. With a bold, aggressive front grille, sleek lines, and an overall muscular stance, the XM radiates power and sophistication. The exterior design is complemented by an innovative lighting setup, including signature daytime running lights and sharp, angular headlamps, giving the vehicle a futuristic appearance that's impossible to ignore. Inside, the 2025 BMW XM takes luxury to new heights. The cabin is equipped with the finest materials, including premium leather upholstery, brushed metal accents, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system. The large curved display seamlessly integrates the iDrive 8 system, offering intuitive controls and connectivity. You'll find a spacious interior with ample room for passengers and plenty of cargo space, making this not only a high-performance vehicle but also a practical one. When it comes to technology, the 2025 BMW XM doesn't disappoint. It boasts an array of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking, ensuring a secure and smooth ride. It also includes a range of customization options, allowing buyers to tailor the vehicle's performance and aesthetic to their personal preferences. With the 2025 BMW XM, BMW has created a vehicle that combines performance, luxury, and technology in a way few can match. It's a true testament to their vision for the future of SUVs. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Car Legacy for more in-depth automotive content.